If you are struggling with dandruff and itchy scalp, I've got the perfect solution for you. Today, I'm sharing two super effective DIY hair masks using lemon. It is packed with vitamin C and antifungal properties that fight dandruff naturally. These masks leave your scalp feeling fresh and white flakes free. So say goodbye to dandruff and white flakes using this lemon hair mask. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you will need a glass of red wine. You will need a lemon. Add the red wine to the bowl. Squeeze one whole lemon into it. Mix the contents well. Red wine has a substance called resveratrol that helps to prevent hair fall and aids in hair growth. The antioxidants found in red wine not only increase blood circulation in your scalp, but also helps to destroy dandruff and therefore cures itchy scalp. Dip a cotton ball into the solution. Section your hair and apply the solution covering your entire scalp and hair. Slightly press the cotton ball to release the solution. Lemon has antifungal properties that helps to maintain the scalp's health. It helps to control the production of oil in your scalp. Lemon juice also helps to stimulate regrowth from the dormant hair follicles. Lemon juice helps to fight against dandruff and prevent its recurrence. The juice helps to strengthen the hair roots. It also helps to reduce excessive sebum secretion, which makes the scalp oily. It conditions the hair and makes it soft. It makes the hair shinier and thicker. It also helps to fight scalp infections and kill germs. It reduces the after effects from the use of chemical hair products and the damage caused by pollution. When done, put a bun and wait for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with shampoo or shikakai. Do not blow dry your hair after this. Do this twice in a week. This simple remedy before washing your hair can help to get rid of dandruff and its flakes. It is very effective and very simple. You will need a lemon. Cut the lemon into small little pieces. Section your hair and rub the lemon slice randomly on your scalp. Make sure you cover the entire scalp by rubbing the lemon slice. Cover the backside of your scalp also. Lemon's acidity helps to balance the pH of your scalp, which helps to keep dandruff at bay. Its healing property soothes irritation and reduces itching. The citric acid present in lemon helps to fight dandruff from at the level of its roots. Alternatively, the strong antimicrobial properties of lemon also curbs the fungal activity happening on your scalp. It has antifungal properties, antioxidants, vitamin C and citric acid that fight dandruff and promote healthy scalp and hair. Clogging of follicles often leads to issues such as dandruff and hair fall. Lemon has antifungal properties that help to maintain the scalp's health. It helps to control the production of oil in your scalp. Lemon juice also helps to stimulate regrowth from dormant hair follicles. Lemon juice helps to fight against dandruff and prevents its recurrence. The juice helps to strengthen hair roots. It also helps to reduce excessive sebum secretion, which makes the scalp oily and causes the follicles to get clogged. It conditions the hair and makes it soft. It makes the hair shinier and thicker. Leave it for 1 hour. After that, wash your hair with shampoo or shikakai. There is no need to use anti-dandruff shampoo. You can use your regular shampoo. Do not blow dry your hair after this. Let the hair dry naturally. These lemon hair masks are super easy to make and work wonders in keeping your dandruff away. Just use them continuously and you will see a healthier and flake-free scalp in just 2 weeks. So until then, next time, take care.